Early on in my career, when I was working from the technical perspective in bridges and structures, I particularly enjoyed the time that I spent on secondment to the Highways Agency. I spent 6 months on secondment working in their offices as a project engineer for some of their large projects. I also, as part of my my project for my chartership, I managed the design of a bridge and supervised the construction of that bridge, so I got a great sense of achievement of actually starting something from conception and actually seeing it built and being used, and that's the reason why I became a civil engineer in the first place. In terms of my career path, I've made 3 significant steps. I started off on the technical career path. I then stepped onto the project management career path and was involved in some high-profile projects, the Olympics Organising Committee and the M25 widening, which was a large multidisciplinary design project. So that was from a project management perspective. But then more recently I've moved into business management. 2.5 years ago I moved into our oil and gas division, which is again very different than the work that I'd done previously. Well, people are the main thing in the Atkins business. That's what enables us to function as a business. So there is quite a big focus on allowing people to develop their own careers and keep them within the business. Being a woman working in engineering, I have been in a minority for all of my career. That is thankfully changing and improving as we're getting more women that are coming in as graduate engineers and developing their careers and staying with the company. And I found the company very supportive, both in the attitudes of the teams that I've been working for, but also there are sort of formal systems in place now to support women. There's a women career development framework that I've attended and got great benefit from that. Another part to that is I've worked part-time for 10 years of my 17 years in Atkins, and I have been supported by the business to do that. There's lots of possibilities to move around the business and different parts of the business, different sectors, doing different types of role depending on what you personally want in terms of career development and where you see the next challenge. My approach has been very much in my career development to take the next opportunity that was available to me if it seemed interesting and I was going to enjoy it and find it a challenge.